Hey guys, Chung here. In the last few videos, you might have noticed that I quite improved my speech talking to a camera and also keeping my energy high without going on rambling about a certain topic and then losing my energy. But also I am quite an introvert and I can go on for several days without talking to an actual person. But I can actually improve my speech, so you can do that too. My advice is to write a script and pointers what you want to talk about. However, don't try to record everything in one go, even though it's much easier to edit that because it's less work. But the biggest issue is that it's really difficult to talk about everything for a long period without making a mistake. But also it's much harder to remember the whole script and also making it quite difficult to keep your energy high for a long period. What I advise is to separate your script in few sections but also speak in just a few sentences. This makes it much easier to remember the text and also makes less mistakes. But also when you stop talking, you can keep your energy high when you restart and talk again. Even though this might result in quite a lot of work while you're editing, but also having quite a lot of jump cuts, but you will sound much better in front of the camera and also less boring for your viewers. Over time, with practice, you will improve speaking to the camera, but also learn how to speak without needing a script. However, it's still advisable to speak in sections to keep your energy high. Hope you guys found this a very useful video. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button here below. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.